Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from Sport RX, and I'm here with my friend Todd Woods, professional angler and Costa sponsored fisherman. And I'm new to fishing and Todd's not, and he's gonna teach me the first knot I need to learn.
Yep, the first knot that you need to learn is called a Palomar knot.
All right.
And we're gonna use this rope and these scissors to, in a larger version. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna form a loop like so.
Okay.
Like that. And we're going to use the scissors as the eye of the hook or of the lure. You basically put it through there like that, and then you tie an overhand knot like that and like that. Okay.
Okay.
And then you take the eye or the lure or the hook and put it through the loop, and then you want to tighten it just like so.
Get it all snug.
Snug, just like that. And that's it. Leave a long tag in for your drop shot weight, and that's how you tie it. Want to try it?
I'm scared, but I'm gonna try it.
All right. Take it apart real quick.
I'm not the best at following instructions.
Oh, I
but
think
you made it pretty simple.
I try.
So if I can do it, anybody on YouTube can do it.
Is this your first time ever tying a?
This is my first time
line?
tying a fishing line ever.
Good deal.
And it's a Palomar.
Get it apart.
Yeah, good thing it's not a video on how to take it apart.
Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
All right, so you gotta have a little, this is my tie, what do you call this part? The tie-in?
The tag in.
Tag in.
Yep.
So like this mimics the hook.
Yep.
So this goes like this. And then you said this goes over.
Just like a regular, like you're tying your shoe.
Okay,
overhand.
so over.
Yep.
And then I take this guy, my little knot would go through the hook.
Yep.
And then I cinch everything down.
Yep, bring this up.
Bring this up, okay. Now this has to get tightened down too, so I gotta like that?
Yeah. Now with fishing line, you want to wet the line a little bit so there's less friction, but that's how you tie it. That's
Did I get it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Perfect.
that was pretty cool. All right, let's do it for real.
Okay, so you want to do it?
Yeah, let's just go for it. Let's
All right,
just see what happens. All right,
this
so I
hook
need
right
my
here.
little tie-in. How do I wet it?
With your mouth.
All right, just like go for it.
Yep.
Is that enough?
Yep.
All right, so we got that. I'm gonna hurt myself, I'm sure here.
Now, if you can't get that small enough, then you enter it in one side and then put it back through itself to make a loop.
I think I can get it though. Maybe not. No, you're right. Okay, so that's a good little trick. I like that. This goes in first.
Yep.
And then just right back in.
Exactly.
You need really good glasses to do this.
You do.
Yeah, Costas come in prescription even with progressives.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a tie-in right there. Get it? Okay, so I got that part down. Now this goes over like that, and just like a regular knot that goes where my finger is. I gotta get my finger out of the way. I'm so afraid I'm gonna poke myself with this thing. I think that's just inevitable. It's just gonna happen, isn't it?
Nah. You got it.
All right, this goes in there.
Take your time. The fish are jumping out there right now, so just take your time.
Okay. Now this goes through the hook.
Yep.
Like that. And then just cinch everything down?
Cinch everything up down. You can even wet it again if you want.
Dude.
Good job.
I tied a fishing line.
First time.
Hey, what's
awesome.
up? All right, well that's how you tie a Palomar knot. And that's how you do it for the first time. I'm pretty excited right now. Thank you.
Good job.
If you have any questions, please leave a comment down in the comment section. If you have any questions on which Costa glasses would help you tie the knot the best, you can leave that down. I know a lot about that stuff. I'm an optician. Hopefully this video was helpful. Give us a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Later.